How to add background music in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on Mix. Import the main audio file that you want to add background music to. Once it's loaded, tap on the plus button to import your background music file from your device storage. After both audio files are imported, you will see them displayed on separate tracks in the timeline. You can now adjust the volume of the background music to make sure it doesn't overpower the main audio. Tap the plus button to increase the volume and the minus button to decrease it. Balance the sound levels for a smooth and clear mix. You can also trim, fade in or fade out your background music to make it blend naturally with your main audio. Use the preview option to listen and fine-tune your adjustments until you get the perfect mix. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap the tick button. You can now add effects such as echo, flanger and more, as well as equalize and adjust the volume further. Finally, tap the save button to export your final audio file. Your edited audio complete with background music will be saved on your device, ready to use in your videos, podcast or any creative project. Now you know how to add background music in AudioLab easily and professionally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.